Yeah.
What is going on, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, check out my Instagram profile, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, please do that. And by the end of this video, if you enjoy it, go ahead and give me the thumbs up. All right, into the video. So in my previous video, I told y'all that I was getting 2 items from week 11. If you don't remember what week 11 was, that was when like Quniones and those jars were dropping. So in week 11, I copped the skateboard, the one in red font by Quniones, and you can actually check it up in the card above. So the second item that I was able to pick up from week 11 was this, the Supreme Gonz logo coach's jacket. Now this retailed on the website for $148 at $10 for shipping. Now off the website, this came in several different colors. It came in black, red, navy, that slate gray, orange, and purple. On drop day Thursday, this was actually restocking for a majority part of the day in different colors and the different sizes. It was actually really easy for me to get this in a size small, and you know how it is. It's impossible, near impossible to cop anything in a small manually. You have to have a bot. And looking at StockX or Bump or Grailed, you can see this jacket going for well under retail. It's going for about 60 bucks, which is really pathetic if you're a seller, but if you're a buyer, you should definitely jump on that. And it's really frustrating that it's going way under retail because this logo was done up by Mark Gonzalez, aka Gonz. So before we actually talk about the specific features that are on this jacket, let's talk about the logo that Mark Gonzalez, Gonz, created. So Gonz is an artist and a skateboarder, but he's probably most known for being one of the 2 co-founders of Blind Skateboarding. But before creating Blind Skateboarding, I do believe that he was at Vision Skateboarding and they had a fallout relationship there, thus leading him to create Blind Skateboarding. And it's pretty funny because he's coming from Vision Skateboarding and then he named his company Blind Skateboarding, so Vision Blind. Now, in founding his company, he hand sketched a logo that you can see right here, and that logo is still used today. And that logo, I believe, was made in 1993, 1994. And it's funny because after he left Blind Skateboarding, he was commissioned by Supreme to do a logo up in that same style, like mimicking that Blind Skateboarding logo. And that's what we have in front of me right now. And I believe this piece of art was commissioned in 2007, don't quote me on that. But after conjuring it up, Supreme has used it on various apparel items, some skateboards, you name it. But for this particular season, we are talking about the Supreme Gonz coach's jacket. So taking a look at this jacket, you can see that the logo that he created is embroidered onto the left portion of the chest. So this logo alone, this embroidered logo that Gonz created, should be more than enough reason for this jacket to be well over retail, but we're just not seeing it like that. So if you're a seller, you probably want to hold on to this one. If you're a buyer and someone's selling it, scoop it up now. All right, let's actually talk about the features of this jacket. So this jacket is comprised of 2 main materials. The external is made out of 100% polyester, and there is a lining on the inside of this, which is made out of 100% cotton. So the 100% polyester is water resistant. So if it is raining, the water droplets will just wipe off. And the 100% cotton lining will keep you warm. It is a lightweight jacket, so don't expect to wear this in like super freezing weather. So again, on the front left chest, you will see that Supreme Gonz logo embroidered into the jacket. On the front, going all the way down, you'll see that there are black metal buttons. And they're actually made by a company called YKK, who is also notable for making quality zippers. So you'll actually see the YKK engraved onto the inside of the button. Now going towards the bottom of the jacket, you'll see that there are 2 pockets for the left side and the right side. And this is where I'm kind of upset. I kind of wish that this would have been done in zippers or a button would close up the pockets, but it's fine. We'll live. On the left bottom side of the jacket, you'll see there is a tab it is the Supreme Gonz logo right here, and it is sewn on. Now, at the very bottom of this jacket, and this is something I really like, they do have strings, so you can actually pull these to tighten the bottom. Going back to the top of the jacket, you will see that it is outfitted with a collar, which I'm not really a fan of. I kind of wish that they would have added a hood, or they would have kept it like a vest or a Henley, like a V-neck or something like that. I thought that would have been dope, but it's cool. You can still wear things under. You can wear like a hoodie under this and you won't really see the collar. So opening up the jacket and still focusing on the top, you can see that there is a coat hook, so you could hang your jacket. And you'll see that there is a Supreme box logo sewn into the neck area with the sizing tab. And I actually got a size small, so it represents that in an S. Now, in opening the jacket all the way, you can see that lining, that 100% cotton lining. And it is pretty thin. Again, you don't want to wear this in super freezing weather, or you just better layer up. Now, I'm kind of upset because the lining doesn't go all the way into the sleeve area. So the sleeve area is just made out of that polyester. So your arms won't be warm, but the rest of your body will be warm. Now, on the left inside chest, you will see that there is a pocket, and it's pretty deep. It's deep enough to put like your wallet or your phone, etc. And then on the inside too, on the left, you'll see a Supreme tag that just gives you like wash care information. Now, looking at the wrist area, you will see that it is done in elastic, which is cool. I kind of wish that they would have still kept the elastic, but I think they should have put like a strap around it to make it look a little more premium, especially since you're paying for it at the $148 price range. Overall, I think this jacket was a nice pickup. I can't believe so many people slept on these items. I know a lot of people were going for either the jars or the skateboard or whatever, but this was a really nice pickup. And in terms of styling, I really like this jacket. It is lightweight, so you can wear like a hoodie under it, layer up for those cold days, and you can pretty much wear any hoodie, especially with the black one. You can pretty much wear any type of undershirt and still like keep the front open, and it'll still look good. Now, in terms of fitment, I got this jacket in a size small, and most of my clothes in my closet are size small, so I like my stuff to feel true to size or a little bit snug. This definitely fits more true to size. Now, in terms of Supreme tees, usually I'm getting mediums, and I'm not getting mediums on purpose. It's just the nature of the business. It's just really difficult to get size small items. So in stating that, now I definitely think I'm more able to wear those size medium shirts. Usually I don't wear those medium shirts out in public unless I'm like layering up with a lightweight jacket. So now I'm able to flex those medium Supreme shirts inside this Supreme jacket, and it'll look good. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video. What do you think about the Gonz Coach's jacket? What do you think about the history between Supreme and Gonz? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if you truly enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and we will check you next time. Cheers. Hafa.